Hi guys, just a few more things to show you, and we might even go for a wander around the shop and I'll show you some other things. But main thing is Dora Wings has just come in as well. This is the second version of their Lysander. This is the Mark III version. This is the 72nd scale PC6 Pilatus Porter. It's actually Big Plane Kit's kit reboxed by Dora Wings with new markings. So if you've already got the kit, you know what it's about. If you're looking for a 72nd scale PC6, there's this one. I believe one of our decal companies around does do markings for the Aussie ones. This is the 48 scale Bellanca CH400 Skyrocket. This is continuing their series of between the wars and early war aircraft. The review I've read of this is really nice, so that's pretty cool. This is the next P-43A-1 Lancer. This is in China skies, so it's got the China period area. People have been asking me about the Australian one. Yes, it is going to come out. At the moment, it's probably going to be around May, June before we actually see it. It has been pushed back because he's got other projects that are coming forward, some of which are going to be quite interesting to Australia. And this is the second iteration of the Dewoitine D510. This is the J model. This is the Japanese version. So it has a slightly different engine, I believe, and a couple of other things. So that's also coming at 32nd scale. Also from Dora, we've got the Master. Now this is really nice. Again, lovely way they're doing all the trainers and things like that, because they've all been ignored for so long. There's companies you would have thought would have done them, but you know, that's the way it goes. But this one's in 48 scale. I believe they're doing the radial engine version as well, but this is the M9. Nice kit, couple of choices of markings. If you're looking for that trainer to go on the airfield display or whatever, or just to have the trainer, very, very nice kit. From Avis Models, actually this is the Edgeley EA7 Optica. Great and weird looking aeroplane, so it'll have to come into my collection of weird and wonderfuls. This was to give it was a development of an aeroplane that they were trying to give all-round vision and everything else. I think even the British police were looking at buying them at one stage, or may even operated a couple. But if you're looking for that, just that thing to put on the shelf, there you go, there's another one. So we'll have a quick walk around the shop to show you some other things, so come for a walk. We've had a massive restock of a lot of 72nd scale armour, a lot of 72nd scale figures, things like that. To start with, we've restocked on all our Mars and Orion Figures, Redbox, Strelets. As you can see by all the lots here, this has all just been restocked. There's also some new ones in there, I think. I can't remember exactly, but there's a lot of restock. So, and a lot of ones we haven't had before. They're not new, but we just haven't had them before, and I've just brought a whole lot more in. So if you're looking for that different sort of figure set and everything else, there's Orion, Redbox, there's quite a few Strelets, as I said. So there's quite a few in there. Also, we've restocked on armour, and UMT, and also Avis Models. Now, Avis Models have got a whole lot of new stuff coming. They haven't released a lot yet, but there's been quite a bit of restock from that. So if again you're looking for those, bit of TACOM down there. So as you can see, it's been quite a significant amount of. You can even see we've got lots more up the top there. So if you're looking for the latest in the armours, especially and Orion and that, so more than welcome to come in and have a look. Also restocked, massive restock on Masterbox. There's a couple of new items in there. One's related to some cowboy figures, and the other one's to some sci-fi. We keep them in different sections so it doesn't get too confusing for everybody. So lots of restock there. Lots of restock there. So there's most of the figures that they do currently we've brought in, so that's all good. What else can I show you? We've had lots of restock for things like Avis Models. That's the kit that we've discovered has been quite popular. I didn't think it would be because it's the old frog kit, but because it's the only kit in town, really, nice little sea venom, and it comes with Australian markings as well, so that's quite good. As I said, all sorts of bits and pieces have come in. So we've had more A model, restocks of A model, AMPs, 1144 scale B2 Spirit. So that's been restocked. You can see by the shelves we've had lots of bits and pieces in. That's the Micromere Comet restocked. if you're chasing that to do with the race series. What else have we had? As I said, we're expecting a lot of things in as well, so it's continuing to grow. Yes, we're struggling with freight and getting things in on time, and it is the Chinese New Year at the moment, so a lot of things are being held up. But a lot of the Ukrainian, a lot of the European stuff is still coming through quite well. So Hasegawa, we've had a few more. If you're looking for an Aussie aardvark, we've got that back in stock there for the F111G, so that's back in. What else have we had? Things like Academy and all those, they've all come back in again, so we've had a big restocks of that. This is the Airfix Top Gun Maverick sort of stuff. There's been a lot of that come through, so that's been quite good. The Spitfire from Airfix, we've actually currently sold out of at the present, so if you're chasing the smaller 72nd scale one, keep an eye on our website. We are trying to get some more at the moment. As I said, more Dora Wings, more Hasegawa. This is all 48 scale. But other than that, that's probably all to tell you this week. Talk to you soon. See you then.